Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Rinky here. Before we start the tutorial, please make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time. Today we learn how to make an explosion box with beautiful cake inside, and you can incorporate photographs also in it. Some chocolates too. Includes everything inside one box. So let's start the tutorial. Take a scoreboard and 12 by 12 black sheet. Mark on 4 inches and 8 inches. Divide into 3 equal parts from both the sides. If you don't have the scoreboard, you can measure with the scale and pencil. Cut the marked ones, and on the fourth side leave half inch of extra to make the box like structure. Cut into the V part so that the lines will be foldable easily. Crease all the lines efficiently. Take other piece of sheet and make 7 into 7 inches square for the lid. Score 3.5 cm from all the sides. Slit cut and crease all the lines. For adding photographs, we need 3 by 12 inch of piece and score at 3 inches. You will get a cascading flap. To embellish it, I have taken a pattern paper. Each pattern paper we will cut should be 0.8 less than the actual size. All the black sides are visible. On the second part, we will use the plain paper matching with our pattern paper. First of all, we have to pack the box. And the lid also. I have cut it down all the pattern papers of particular sizes. To give more finished look, I have a corner punch. I will chomp it from all the edges with the corner punch. It gives you the proper curved look. Similarly on the lid too, paste all the pattern papers. Our base box is ready with the lid. Now for the cascading flap, add pattern paper on that too. Or you can add photographs instead of pattern paper. Now for the center 3-tier cake, take 11.5 cm square and fold 2 cm from all sides. Same as we done on the lid box. Pack all the sides. We need 3 sizes in it. For the medium, take 9 by 9 centimeter of square. Fold it in the same manner we fold in the larger box. Similarly, for the smaller box, take 7.5 centimeter square and fold 2 centimeter from each side. We will get 3 boxes in a form of tire cake. To embellish the cake, take strips and cut the strips into zigzag manner. Add pattern paper on the top. Our 3-tier cake is ready. We will make a birthday banner. Take a satin ribbon to embellish with the sentiments and sticker. And stick it on the 3D wall of the box. Add cascading flap on the one side and add chocolates on the other side. I'm adding some flowers too to decorate the cake. Now to decorate the lid of the box, I have some flowers decorates and sentiments. You can decorate the box with the ready flowers too. I am making little bit of 3D arrangement. My birthday explosion box is ready for the gift, and do shower your comments how you like the tutorial, and stay tuned with us for more and more crafty tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.